Yeah, hi, hello. Okay, so how it works, let me share a link. So just watch 5 minutes of that where from where the link starts. So basically, in one word, it tracks the smart money, the big institutional positions in options. So you have all these light green, deep green, so various colors. So light green is put writing and light red is call writing, and the deep green is call buying and the deep red is put buying. So we don't follow the big put buying or the call buying because those are mostly done for hedging. So big institutions they sell. So according to the selling data, so we have like plotted these buy and sell signals, and that too with strength. That is like suppose if you go to Sensex in the morning here, so I've just changed the ATM, otherwise this was sell signal of 9. So ATM now has changed, so now it's also showing strength of 10. So here a major chunk of call writing happened, and from there it all fell. So like even I updated this on X as well, so you can go and check out the post. So yeah, so Bank Nifty, Sensex. So yes, this was the one. Like I think Sensex with a sell strength of 9. So anyways, like I today I did not post anything on X before the fall. So majorly it was posted for the members. Here you can go and check it out. This one. And yes, if I post anything on X, so I basically say that the current update is given there. So also for the non-members, like I come live. Last day also you saw me the whole day. We were live. So it works on premium chart also. I did not get that part. Hi Sunil. So yes, go and check this out. Like check the first, check the like from where the video starts. Check for 5 minutes. You'll get to know. Check 15 minute once aiming recovery. Okay, checking. Can you explain? Yeah, I explained. So please check out that link. There, if there is like more explanation is given there. So yeah, hi Sunil. So okay, so this is the current update. Okay, 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes Nifty or Bank Nifty. So 15 minutes, what happens is like yeah. So this is on 15 minutes Nifty. Yes, yes, it also works on premium chart as well. Like, so suppose if I want to open like Nifty, for now it's going like 24,700. So let's open 24,700. 24. So please note that like the HFT view does not depend on the chart. Like you can also open Reliance, but in the HFT whatever is the setting, it will open according to that. Okay, so suppose let's open 24/700 calls. Okay, but here you see all are not working, so you have to make the settings. So now if you're opening the spot chart, then you don't have to enter all these manually the settings, but so you then just have to enter the current market price or the ATM that you want. But suppose you are on other charts like futures, or I have explained this also in the update video. uh, so you can go and check out the last video that I posted about the updates that I've made. So now if you are using let's say premium chart or any other futures chart, then what you have to do is select symbol manually, like you have all these symbols, all these that are there, and then you have to select, let's say, the strike interval, whatever it is. Okay, and then like the strike manual, so you have to input manually the strike. So let's say that it's now 24/700. So 24/700 model 1, and yeah, so the Nifty expiry date is 31st first. Okay, I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Yeah, so again, this is what it will show there. Okay, so the thing is that, like, the again I'm saying that you can open Reliance. Now if I open Reliance chart, so it doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. Okay, so again, whatever the output is, so now don't make a mistake. That is like these seller or buy signals are being generated from Nifty, not from Reliance. So don't make this mistake while you are in manual mode. And yeah, so let's again go back to our Nifty. So now I don't have to go manual. 24/700. And also, like, you can see the fund flow also, like here 80 cr of put writing happened. Okay, and it's taking support after that. And here for Sensex, like here was a big put writing, that is 57 cr. This was also 46 cr of put writing that happened. So you get all these data, like, and then you can, like, the one that happened, like the big sell strength of 10, so that was 197 cr. So that was a big one, like a very big one. Yeah, I think I have updated you all, like it works on put option chart or call option chart as well. Yeah, someone did call writing as well here. 28 cr. In Nifty also we saw some call writing here. This is 46 cr. So the after the buy and the sell signal, you will see mostly the uh, numbers. So the numbers are the strength. And also, like those who have been following now, you can also remove the table if you don't want it. You can also remove it. Okay. Bank Nifty also we have a call writer here. 56, 56, 140. And there you go. So Nifty, Bank Nifty everywhere the same. Signal means it's a strong one. Other apps provide writing data as well. What extra are you providing in this indicator? Other apps, like, can you show me one app? Do you know that Sensex provides OI at every 3 minutes interval? So, so wherever you are looking at the OI, so that comes at 3 minutes interval. Okay, and also it doesn't tell you, like, see here, you can see here is a blank, right? So yeah, yeah, everywhere. So please show me. Except OI, what are they? They are not showing anything else, right? And also you can look here. There is. I mean, see, whenever OI comes, so OI is not giving you that whether. I mean, there has been writing or buying or how much. So that is the thing. And also there are smart money or any retail traders. So here you see no activity is showing. But in this region, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, almost 17 minutes, you see no activity. So in that 17 minutes, many OI have changed, like at least 5 times the OI has updated, right, from NSE. So there it's not showing anything. So the thing is that whenever it detects big institutional activity, so then, like, right at the top, they're sold. Okay, they sold. Right now also we are live, and you saw, like, even market started going down, so there was this sell signal. Okay, so, and you can very well see they did call writing of 46.8 cr. So we are providing this, our flagship indicator, which is the HFT Algo Scanner. So this is, yeah, so I think you got my point. Yes. So so this is the one, like, and also, like, sometimes to go with higher accuracy, like, we also check the same, whether we are getting the same signals in Sensex or in Bank Nifty or not, so that we get a confirmation that even in Bank Nifty also someone is shorting there. Okay, so that is the thing. And yes, now coming back to the other question, how many indicators are provided? Yes, we are providing the one that is our flagship indicator, the HFT Algo Scanner, and along with it we are providing also the cash market sentiment. So the cash market sentiment will give you, like, where, I mean, the smart money in the cash segment. Yeah, hi Sunil. If you have any questions, you can ask. Like, yes, you said 2 times hi, so I think you have some questions. I think you are also a member, but like, please don't mind. Like, there are so many names, so I can't remember actually. But anyways, coming back to here, we are giving the cash market sentiment indicator, and also the multi-asset scanner, so where you can also, like, have this table and scan other stocks and indices, like TCS info, if whatever you want to add. Okay, so if you don't want the table, so you can also remove it, or also you can adjust, let's say, top right, medium, let's make it small. So you can scan, like, what is the, like, trend. Okay, so the trend means, like, whatever is, yeah, so the trend means whatever is, like, the direction. Okay, so, like, you see the red color in the background, so that is the trend of the market. Okay, and the cash market sentiment also, like, this indicator has been included in the scanner. So along with these two, like, you are scanning the other stocks and indices as well. So suppose if you don't want the like back you don't want the table, just the background for the momentum, so then you can just use it without the table as well. And yeah, so that's the thing. And again, also there is another one which is the smart trend, so which will give you buy sell signals, but I have also included this in the multi asset scanner as well. And yeah, so that's the overall thing. So let me also show you the smart trend as well. Yeah, so if you switch this off, like, so this is the smart trend, like you get all these dynamic you get the SL and all these things, like the dynamic SL and the buy signal. So that has already been included in the multi-asset scanner. You get the background color according to the like the trend, and so you might not even need this, but again, this is also being provided. And yeah, so these are the four indicators that are being provided for now, and along with it, you also get, yeah, currently you see someone did put writing there. Yeah, and along with it, you also get the AI money flow. So, yes, you get access to this sheet for Bank Nifty and Nifty. This is only for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you get this sheet, and so here the score of the option chain, the whole option chain is being analyzed, and you're getting a particular score, and you just have to watch this score, okay, in this whole sheet. And if you want, there are other analysis as well, like the premium decay analysis, and also if you want to see the chart and how the score and the spot chart are moving. Like if you see here, the spot went up but the score was going down, okay, and then finally Bank Nifty came down, and similarly, like here the score was going up, and right here if you see the time at around 2 p.m., the score started going up, and also like Bank Nifty is also going for some recovery. Yes, again, like here also the same thing for Nifty as well. Here also there was a huge gap, and then after that, like this went down, as well as Nifty also went down. And again, almost the same scenario in Nifty as well here. So yes, that is the thing, and these are the things that we are providing. I'm using M1 module. Is that sufficient or need to plot M2 or M5? Depends. Like, do you have premium? Do you have TradingView premium plan, or the nor or any other, or the basic free account? There is three HFT Algo Scanner. Are they with different settings in your chart? Yes, of course. So I'll explain that as well. One last quick, can it provide me data before 3 minutes? No, it's real time. It's absolute real time data. Like here you got 1452, here you got at 1441. So it's absolute real time. Okay, so if you have premium, you can open like the Model 5 as well, and the Model 2 as well. Like okay, so let's see. Obviously, the indicator will be able to track it. So it's going to be almost 3. So data before 3 minutes, like for example, if you come here, still this is 9:19. So I've shown you some days, like before even NSE starts providing OI data from 9. 9:18. So on some days I've also shown you the signal is coming at 9:15. Like here also 9:19. Yeah. So today we did not get any signal, I think, in here, but let me check in other, somewhere we might have got some signal. Like the main point is that you can also see we are live. You can also check out the Friday. Friday we were live the whole day. Just go and check out the lives. Okay, so you will get to know, like, it's all real time. I mean, NSC is providing OI data every 3 minutes, and in that 3 minute, it a lot of things can happen. So so you have to go to our YouTube channel and go for the live section. So in the live section, you will find all the lives, the past, all the lives, they are like recorded, and you cannot edit them later on. Okay, so the live streams on YouTube. I think Shaksham, I think you got your queries answered. Yes, so as I was saying about the different models, so what happens is, like, for Bank Nifty, you can all see, like, I'm using these two models. So the model 5, if you again, if you have TradingView Premium, then only you can use the other models. Otherwise, you're like, everywhere, every analysis you will see me posting with the with respect to the model 1, which is our flagship model and which works on any TradingView account, any, even the basic free one also. Like, and if you want to use model 5, then only you have to use the like, you have to get their premium membership, like the TradingView premium membership. Okay, so, please, but again, it's not recommended. Don't go into FOMO or anything. The model 1 is the best, which works, because in model 5 you don't get signals very often. So you can open the model 5 and the model 1 if you have premium membership. And yeah, in Nifty, what I have done is, like, this is the model 1. I have kept it at the top because mostly I follow that only. And also, like, this is model 5. As you can see, the next one is model 5. And this one, I think, different expiry, so 24,800, and this is 25,000. So these are two different expiries, so no worries about them. And here, so it's currently, like, we can also put 24,600 there as well. And also I like using model 2 here, so let's put 24,700. And again, like, for these two, like, I am not printing, like, I'm not printing the buy and the sell signal on the charts, so I just keep it for reference. Okay, so the buy and the sell signal on the charts are getting printed from the model 1 itself, if you can see here. Okay, so again, I have kept the other models opened just for reference. Okay, just for a little bit of more accuracy, if I get, or some confirmation that in the other models also, if I am I getting the same thing or not. Okay, so that's the thing. This is 25,000, so let's use 24,600 as the ATM, and model 1. Okay, so like, the best thing about model 1 is, like, they rarely appear, but when they do, like, here you can see, like, in the morning, like, there was some green signal and it went up. There was some red, after that it went down. So, and again some red here. So if I just print the buy and the sell signal with model, So this is the quantum model. So if I just print the buy and the sell signal with respect to that model. So the thing is that here you will see the buy and then sell, here it fell, here sell fell, and here there were some signals like these are very very high frequency traders, and even a small move can also get them into profitable zone. So anyways, like that was the one, but again mostly we use the model 1 only, and yeah, let's also check. So now the small sharks are like taking the charts up and down, and it's already past 3 p.m. So after 3 p.m. it's not recommendable for to go ahead, because after 3 p.m. mostly you can see that the big institutions are maybe taking positions for tomorrow or the next day, and move might not come as expected after 3 p.m. So even in Sensex you can see, yeah, but again in Sensex the model 5 doesn't work. So model 5 works Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I think Fin Nifty mid cap, I think, but I don't remember because we don't trade there much. But yes, so in Sensex you, and also the cash market sentiment won't work on Sensex because you don't have the volume data, and also these levels, that is the resistance and the support levels that are dynamically drawn by the HFT indicator. So that also works as it works on volume, so you don't have that on Sensex. So but in Sensex, like as you can see, like I have opened two. In one I have, both are model 1. In one I have put 81,000 and in another I have put 80,900. So yes, thanks. Even in Bank Nifty, if you want to see, like if we just print the buy and the sell signal with respect to model 5. So here was the buy signal right at the beginning. So yes, someone was saying whether we could get like yes, as we were Shaksham was saying, like we could get. So in model 1, as you can see, right at 9:15. So 9:15, at that point, like you don't get the OI data. So here the buy signal came, here the sell signal came, again sell signal, and then again the sell signal. Here it was like the fall, and this was a nice big fall, and then after that some buying signal came in here and it went up and took support, and yeah, so that was with respect to the model 5. But again, model 1 also is the best model so far, and it works like that is the best one. Like every analysis on X that I have been putting, so you will notice that these are model 1 only. Okay, so yeah, even in mid cap also, like in the morning we got, so it went up, so we got this buy signal, but as we don't trade there, I looked at it after the move, so yeah, I missed it, but anyways the signal came in. So and also like before the fall also, the signal came in, like mid cap went, as it went up it also fell, so both the signals were generated in mid cap. Is better than, so actually like this is a probabilistic view, again nothing deterministic, because we can't surely get uh, the big institutional data, but again with the help of data we can like track them, so with a probabilistic model, and with fund flow as well, like what we know is like how much of call writing, what was the amount involved in the position, so that also we get. So even you can see the last 30 candles call writing amount is 108.57 cr, but the put writing amount is 50 cr. But again here this is including the 30 candles, means on 1 minute it's calculating the last 30 minutes. If we are on 3 minutes chart, it will calculate the 90 minutes. You can also change that, like if I make it last 2 hours, so that means on 1 minute time frame it would be 120 candles, so 137. So yes, so then it's showing that call and put writing are almost the same quantity, so 177 cr and 185 cr. Because here was a big put writing that was done at this level at 24,670. Yeah, thanks Sky Weaver. Again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Like even today also, like as we were live, we got this move as well as this move. So, but though they were small, but yes, still, if you want to check out, like check out the last day. So the last day, like even I mean the last day I was live from 9:15. Like usually I don't come in the morning because I also have to trade, and so the thing is that like that day someone said to come so that they can decide, like after watching for the whole day they can decide whether to take it or not. So yes, I mean just go and check out the last Friday, so we were live the whole day, this one, and you can also check out the others as well. And so in the first 20 minutes itself it caught three reversals. Just it was like from 9:15 to just 20 or 25 minutes. There were three reversals and it caught perfectly all the three reversals from right top and right bottom. And also this scanner can help you like to see whether that for example, like uh, what is the suppose you're trading in bank nifty, so what is the trend in major banks, and what is the cash market sentiment also saying there, and so that can help you to even further level up your analysis. If I see that majorly all the banks are, yes, HDFC has a very high weightage, but again, we have to be careful about that. But again, if I see like yesterday, not yesterday, on Friday, while we were live, we saw like, I think one, except one, like all the banks were red. The trend was bearish in all of them. So then it's better to go with like, uh, then it's better to have a short view, like bearish view. And this call buying and put buying is showing zero because I haven't plotted the buying. So I have plotted only the light colors, the deep colors, which are the buying. If I plot them, then you will also get the values there for the buying. So that's the buying, like call buying and put buying. So the big institutions, they mostly like do selling and writing, I mean, and buying is mostly done for hedging by them, and that's why like I usually keep it only to the light colors, which are the writing positions. And also, as you can see, like dynamically, it has drawn these two levels, the support and the resistance in Bank Nifty. In Nifty, there is no support being drawn from the HFT, but uh, resistance has been drawn. So you can also use those support and resistance as breakout trades or something. So, and they're based by volume. So it's kind of like, so that like it acts as a strong support or resistance. Let's look at Reliance, how it performed today. So I also haven't checked it so far. So I mean, there was a big shot that happened right at the top there. 10:31 everywhere, like the big shots came in. So this is with respect to 1390, yeah, ATM. So as you can see, like the thing is that, I mean, these are the big sharks. Like these are smaller sharks. You can very well see like from the size itself. So this is a kind of medium shark. Like cell signal is strength 7, and here the cell signal was 9. So this was a big shark, and after that like it started falling. So here if you see, this was a smaller shark, and also like this buying signal also came in, but this was a smaller shark again here. And yeah, so that's how it performed today. And again here was a big shark. So again, like you would notice that this was the, I mean, this was the highest, like the biggest position that was made for today. And in between also there were many sharks. And okay, so here also as well as here. Now as you can see, someone is doing put writing. Okay, but the big position was made here. So even right at that moment in Sensex also, in Nifty also, there was some big positions that were made. Short positions, I mean. That might happen, but I'm not denying that. But usually, like, also when you have that big amount of position in one moment, like, so that is a very big confirmation that, like, someone big has shorted big amount. Yes, I'm not denying. I have already shown you that even the big institutions, they average out. Like I've shown you this with example, proper example in the past as well. Like suppose they have done put writing here and Nifty went a little bit again down, and they did a huge amount of put writing again there, and then after that Nifty shot up, or suppose vice versa. So this things like that happened earlier as well. So that's why I tell you to, whichever, like if you are going with the put writing or the call writing, you have seen some major call writing or put writing has happened, and then I usually tell that wait for the charts to bend. If the chart starts bending in that direction, so it's a very good confirmation that yes, they are now in power. So not only they have taken positions, but they are now in power and bending the charts according to their need or their position. So, and to be on 1 minute time frame or 3 minutes, because the higher time frame you go, so what happens is the HFT algo, HFT position. So first of all, they are like high frequency traders. So if you are going on 15 minutes, so you might miss out. And what happens is like the cumulative position is shown there, okay, on 15 minutes. And so it's better to have go for 3 minutes or 1 minute, okay. And again, the thing is that, okay, so someone did a good amount of put writing here. This is 55 cr. In Bank Nifty some put writing, and yeah, in Sensex also some put writing happened, but in Nifty was the major put writing that happened. Yeah, so as I was saying, like if you go on higher time frame, what happens is that like you don't exactly get where they made those positions. So, and if you want the charts to bend in that direction, so you can clearly see that the charts are bending in that direction. So lower time frame is preferable because you are tracking the big institutions, and uh, like they have like become mostly like high frequency traders. So, and also I'm not saying like they don't make positions for like because if you see the biggest position that was made, the short position was at 1031, and after that even slightly uh, like in after the fall also it started consolidating, but majorly like the fall went on. And so right, and that was right at the top when they shorted at 1031. So that was the one, that was the top. And even while falling also in between, this was they shorted and it came down. So the thing is that like those big positions were carried, but again like in between also like more shorts came in, and also those bends were like where some recovery was shown. So those, at those points also you got the signal that some institutions are doing put writing here and here as well, and right now there as well. Like, so now for like the put writing and the call writing is almost of the same amount. Like even like today's starting the fall came in. So if you go and check out the last 30 minutes activity, we were live. So just go and check out Friday, the last 30 minutes activity as it shows up here. So you'll notice that the call writing amount was much more, like more than double of the put writing amount. So, and not only yesterday, like I have also, if you go and follow my X post, so you will see that I mean the last 30 minutes data is very valuable, tracking the smart money. So again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. And also to get the indicators, like you can go to the website. Okay, and then after that, like whichever plan suits you, you can go for it. And every plan has the four indicators that we are providing on TradingView, along with the Nifty and the Bank Nifty AI money flow. And yes, so that's the thing. And also like the Telegram channel is there. So again, the Telegram channel is not for tips or any recommendation to buy, hold or sell. So whenever we see some major activity of the smart money on let's say uh, on HFT indicators, so I post the charts there. So again because like some people, they say that like we are office goers, and so it would be helpful when you see something significant, then it would be better to post so that we then can go and check out the charts. So for that I post the charts, but I never go for any recommendation to buy, hold or sell. And again like these buy sell also, like it's not nothing like buy sell recommendation. It's basically it's based on data points. Okay, so uh, and in all of them you get the same thing, like the four indicators and the two. So the higher plan you choose, so the more you save. Okay, but you get the same thing in every one of them. So Avinash ji, like for currently, like we, so what happened is like from the time we have like introduced this HFT scanner, like the multi-asset scanner, and then the cash market sentiment indicator, and also all these updates that we have been providing. So I haven't increased the price for now. Like for a very long time, we have been providing a lot of updates and also other indicators as well, and we haven't increased the price. So that is the thing, like I mean, already we are at a discount, so see, all those marketing things can be done, like I can simply write here 20,000 and cross it out and write 14,999 and show people that I'm giving a discount. So those are marketing tactics, and we usually, like, I I haven't started doing all those things, but I don't know whether I'll do it in the future, or I'll have to do it in the future, because it's kind of a psychological point of view, like how people think. But anyways, so please understand that we have, like, so, like, whichever member, like whoever took the uh, bought our indicator, so all the future updates, all the upcoming updates in the derivative segment, so all were given for free. Okay, so they were not charged or anything. So we haven't charged anything extra for the updates or the new indicator that we have posted. So everything was rolled out for free. So uh, that means, like, so if you enroll, you don't have to pay anything for the future updates. And yes, so I know, like, okay guys, so yeah, I'll have to leave, so I'll end it here today. So just 1 minute remains. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. So please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.